Hi everyone, my name is Ruksar Nagara. Today I'm going to unbox a 2K webcam. So let's start and see what's the product look like. That's the little camera, 2K HD webcam. Very simple box. Let's see what's inside the package. In the package you get a camera, look nice. It's got sticker to attach to your laptop. And that's the tiny stand. Either you can use a stand to put the camera on the top. I think that's everything. And it's got two card in there, which is a 2-year extended warranty. You can use that one to extend your warranty for 2 years. And that's the little manual book. Very nice, tiny one. Look like it needs plug and play. So you just plug and play. I can't see nothing on the manual at the moment. And good thing this book in the different languages, so you can read the book according to your own language: English, Dutch, France, Italian, and Spain, and Chinese. Nice. I think that's everything in the box. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel so I can bring some more unboxing video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.